Hello crocheters! Supposed to be rest day ko ngayon kasi nga grabe ang sipon ko at masama ang pakiramdam ko. Pero nauwi sa pag-aayos ng craft room ngayong gabi. Tambak na kasi ang yarns at kung anek-anek. By the way, most of my yarns were actually given to me by the sister of my sister's husband. I called her sister-in-law before pero honestly, di ko rin alam kung yun ba talaga ang tamang term. Ngayon ko lang din to naasikaso kasi galing ako sa bakasyon for a few days. Medyo lutang pa nga ako dito habang nag-aayos for the tulala kasi ang liit lang talaga ng space ko. It's just an improvised craft room. Bumili lang ako online ng queen size mosquito tent para at least may sariling area ako when I crochet. Kasi, to be honest, crafting can get really messy. Crafters can relate to this, alam ko. Kaya having your own space makes a big difference talaga. Mas nakakaisip ka ng maayos, mas nakaka-focus, and somehow, mas nakaka-relax siya. At some point, crochet really is an investment, not just in yarn, and hooks pero pati na rin sa workspace mo. At syempre hindi na rin biro ang gastos kaya I'm super thankful na bigay lang ang karamihan sa yarns ko. Malaking tipid na talaga siya. And just a little reminder, when we price our crochet projects, it's not just about the materials. It's also about the time, skill, and effort we put into every piece. I actually tried teaching my siblings pero hindi talaga nila kinaya. So crochet is not for everyone. So please, to those who want to order, sana wag naman baratin, 'di ba? Marami ang nagsasabing maganda ang gawa, pero pag nalaman na ang price, biglang wala na, silent na lang. That's why, instead of stressing over sales, I focus on enjoying the process. This is my hobby and my passion at ayokong mawala yung joy ko just because I'm chasing profit. At ayun na nga, ang haba na naman ng kwento ko. It's already midnight at ngayon lang ako natapos mag-ayos. So, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, follow, share, and leave a comment. See you on the next one!